Now let's talk about moving and renaming files. So it turns out there's actually a tool that Blender makes to move and rename files, but it's a command line tool, it's hard to use, and it's hard to even find out about in the documentation. Here, with Project Glue, we can simply open up a file browser and select the file that we want to rename, right-click, and rename. And we'll just name it, I don't know, Bushes 2. And this will go make a copy of the file, name that Bushes 2, update all the references, and then come back and delete the original file that's no longer needed. And that's the safest way to rename a file without breaking anything at any point in the process. And you'll notice this is called moving files. That's because renaming it is actually no different from moving it. And with that in mind, that renaming it is no different from moving it, let's go ahead and talk about moving files. So I'm going to create a new folder here called, I don't know, species or something, because we've got this entire forest.blend and it's composed of all of these different things: branches, bushes, leaves, all of this stuff. So let's go ahead and take everything except for the forest. And also, you notice there's a little Blender bug here. I can't unselect the species folder no matter what I do. So I'm gonna go out of this and come back, and now it's unselected. So let's just grab all of these, go to glue cut, and then we'll go to glue paste into the species folder. And again, it's doing all those same operations in the background. It's making a copy of all the files into the species folder, going through everything that uses those files as a library, remapping all those library uses to the new location, and then going back and deleting the old files. And now we're left with a directory structure that makes a little more sense. And that covers the file operations with Project Glue.